I would say I resonate most with Cruella's struggles to figure out her own identity. I'm still figuring out exactly what I want to say about myself and the world through my designs, and I feel like the movie Cruella really captures her journey into figuring this out for herself.
I was really inspired by the late 60s, early 70s mod movement, as they employed a lot of bold colour blocking, sharp lines and high contrast in their designs. I think this really comes through in Cruella's character design. I find it a really good match for her.
I got to create something very powerful and raw, and I wanted the structure and the shape of it to really communicate this sort of power.
I also really relate to the ability to express herself and as she finds her voice and starts designing for herself rather than a corporation.